Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to become a dog walker on the Rover app using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Rover app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your profile, tap on more at the bottom right of your screen. Scroll down and you will see an option that says become a sitter or start sitting. Tap on that. Now you will see different services you can offer like boarding, house sitting or dog walking. Select dog walking. You will need to add some details like your experience with dog, your availability and the neighborhood you can walk in. You can also upload a nice friendly photo of yourself. This helps pet parents trust you. Rover may ask you to pass a quick background check and set up secure payment info so you can get paid. Just follow the on-screen steps. It only take a few minutes. Once your profile is completed, tap submit. Rover's team will review your application. This usually takes a couple of days. When you got approved, your profile goes live. Pet owners can now find you and book dog walks through the app. And that's it. That's how you become a dog walker on Rover using your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.